Okay, today we're going to put this light bulb in the microwave. Now I put a glass of water in here. I don't know why, just because I felt a little safer. We got it in there. It's a 200-watt bulb. Alright, let me turn off the light. Yeah, okay, there we go. Look at the microwave. There it goes. Yeah, look at that. Whoa! It just like this got destroyed. The light. The light's not turning on.
Pull the light up.
Yeah, just completely like. Oh!
Leave it in there and plug it in, see what happens.
I'm gonna turn that bulb on. It's like hissing. Oh, that was awesome. Well, you just saw what happens if you put a light bulb in the microwave. After it's been microwaved, what, 3 times? And then we decided to shoot it. I'm not gonna put it in for that amount of time, so let's just...
Hey, you should try it again with the top off.
With what top off?
With it blowing up. See if it still goes. It's not gonna throw it out.
Okay. Whoa!
Put it in the water and see what happens.
No, I'm not gonna. I don't want to blow up the microwave. That's like.
Let's sniff.
What does that smell like? That's like this. That's discriminate. I mean, this disintegrated metal.
You should try it now.
What? Whoa!
Oh, there. There it goes.
I better not burn it anymore.
I have an idea. Touch the wires together.
I don't think that's gonna do anything. Thank you.
Let's try it.
Hey, let's try and put the camera. Let's put the camera in here.
Come on, handle that will, really.
I know.
There, try that. Try that. Try it?
Yeah, go.
Work?
I'm gonna turn it off. I don't want to blow up the microwave. Okay.
Hey, a pop can in the water.
No. Thanks for watching. My battery's going low, so see ya.